Now today we solve the problems binomial distribution, which is the base the formula of last lecture, binomial distribution as well as mean, variance and standard deviation. So we start the first problem. Write down the first problem. The problem is, first example, if a fair coin tossed 10 times. A fair coin tossed 10 times. Find the probability of getting first exactly 6 heads, second at least 6 heads, and third at most 6 heads. Okay. Now what is my problem? A coin is tossed 10 times. Find the probability to getting exactly 6 heads, at least 6 heads, and at most 6 heads. A coin is tossed first 1 times, we get a 2 possibility. Either we get head or we get tail. Again we toss, again we get a 2 possibility. Either we get head or tail. Means if your coin is tossed 10 times, so 2 multiply 2 up to 10 times, the sample space is contained 2 raised to 10, which is 1, 0, 2, 4 outcomes. It is a very bigger outcomes to find exactly 6 heads, at least 6 heads, and at most 6 heads. So we check here first. This experiment belongs to Bernoulli trials. Yes, this experiment is going to the Bernoulli trials because coin is tossed repeated. So in some finite time we can stop. After 10 times we can stop the coin is tossed in. So here n is equal to 10. This is a finite number. Then after we get a probability of getting head is my success and probability of getting tail is my failure. So here probability of getting head and getting tail is remains same in each trial. So this experiment is a Bernoulli trial. So we can use here formula of last lecture we studied. P of x is equal to small x is equal to n c x p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Correct? So let me first decide what is my x. So let x be the number of heads. Let x be the number of eggs in an experiment in 10 trials. Means x क्या है मेरा यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ एक्स इन एक्सपेरिमेंट इन 10 ट्रायल्स. मैंने 10 बार सिक्के को उछाला है तो मुझे जो भी नंबर ऑफ हेड्स मिलेंगे वो मेरा सक्सेस होगा. क्लियर है? सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी हियर गेटिंग हेड. सो एक बार मैंने सिक्के को उछालने के बाद गेटिंग अ हेड पॉसिबिलिटी 1/2. दिस इज द Bernoulli trials. The probability remains same in each trials. So P is equal to 1/2 remains same every trials. So clearly here x is follows binomial distribution with parameters n and p. With what is my n? N is a 10. What is my P? P is the probability of getting success, getting head, which is 1 by 2. Therefore, Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is again 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So thus X follows the binomial distribution n is equal to 10 and probability of success getting 1 by 2. Thus this we can write in a formula way. Probability of success is equal to X is equal to NCX P raised to X Q raised to n minus X. We can put here values. N is equal to 10, P is equal to 1 by 2, Q is equal to 1 by 2. So we get here 10 CX 1 by 2 raised to the power X 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus X. This formula we can find easily the exactly 6 time heads, at least 6 time heads and at most 6 time heads. So first, exactly getting 6 heads, that is P of X is equal to 6. So we can substitute in small x is equal to 6. So we get here 10 C 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 6. Simplify. This is a combination formula. NCR, the formula is n factorial upon r factorial multiply n minus r factorial. So we can write here 10 factorial upon 6 factorial multiply 10 minus 6, which is 4 factorial, multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. So again we can simplify 10 factorial up to 6 factorial. So we can write 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial multiply this 4 factorial. We can write 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply this 1 by 2 raised to the power 6, this 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. Base are same, so addition of power. So we get here 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. Now next, simplify. We get here P of X is equal to exactly 6. So 6 factorial and 6 factorial is cancel out. 4 2s are 8, 2 2 2s are cancel. Now 3 multiply 3 is 9. So we get here 10 multiply 3 multiply 7 divided by 1 multiply 2 1 upon 2 raised to 10. So we get here again 210 divided by 1 0 24. Again we simplify. So we get here 15105 divided by 572. So we get here exactly 6 heads. This is my answer of first question. Now simplify at least 6 heads. Same number here. N is equal to 6, 10. P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. So same formula we use here. Again at least 6 heads. So again we simplify here. Second example, second type, at least 6 heads. At least means maybe 6 हो सकता है या 7 हो सकता है या 8 हो सकता है, 9 हो सकता है या 10 हो सकता है. That possibility P of is a probability of at least 6 means it's greater than equal to 6. Exactly that time is equal to 6. At least, so it's greater than equal to 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all possibility comes here. So we can write this P of X is equal to 6 plus P of X is equal to 7 plus P of X is equal to 8 plus P of x is equal to 9 plus P of x is equal to 10 because my last number of n is equal to 10. So this all possibility come this probability of success. So we can again use this formula for this. So we can use here NCx. So 10c, what is here small x? 6. P 1 by 2 raised to the power x is 6. 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 6 plus again 10c 7 because small x is here 7. So 1 by 2 raised to the power x is 7. 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 7 plus 10c 8. 1 by 2 raised to the power 8 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 8 plus 10 raised c 9. 1 by 2 raised to the power 9 multiply 1 by 2 10 raised to the power 9 plus 10c 10. 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 10. We simplify again by using a binomial by using a combination formula NCR. So we get here P x is exactly at least 6 heads. So 10 factorial upon 6 factorial multiply 4 factorial. We can use here combination formula. Now 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 plus again we use here combination formula 10 factorial upon 7 factorial multiply 3 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 7 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 plus because 10 minus 7 we get a raised to the power 3. Next 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 8 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 plus 10 factorial divided by 9 factorial multiply 1 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 9 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 plus 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial multiply 0 factorial 10 minus 10 we get a 0 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. Again we simplify here. These 10 convert into up to the 6 factorial. So 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power this 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 this 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. So based on same addition of power 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 plus again we can simplify 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 factorial upon 7 factorial multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 7 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. So base are same again addition of power 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. Again for this 10 factorial multiply 9 factorial multiply 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. Same concept. Base are same addition of power plus 10 factorial multiply 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial multiply 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 plus 10 factorial upon 10 factorial 0 factorial is 1 raised to the power 10, 1 by 2 raised to the power 0, any raised to the power 0 we get a 1, so multiply here 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. Again we simplify, here common is 1 by 2 raised to the power 10, we'll take it outside. So we get here is equal to, now we have simplified. First 6 factorial and 6 factorial cancel out, 2 multiply, 4 is 8 cancel out, 3 is a, so first number is 2 1 0. Next again we can simplify, 7 factorial cancel out, 3 is a 9, then after 2 4 is a, then we get second number is 120 plus, again we simplify here, 8 factorial is cancel out, 2 5 is a 10, 5 multiply 9 is 45 plus, next 10, 9 factorial is cancel out, only remaining is 10, so we get here 10 plus 10 factorial is cancel out is 1, in outside is 1 upon 2 raised to 10, because 2 raised to 1 upon 2 raised to the 10 is common for all terms, so we can take it outside. Now addition of this, we get here 386 divided by 1024, because 2 raised to the 10 is 1024. Again we can simplify, so we get the 3x is exactly at least 6 heads. So answer is 193 divided by 512. So this is answer of second, the getting probability of success of at least 6 heads. Now third, what is my third? Getting a probability of at most 6 heads. At most 6 heads. That means minimum 6 हो सकता है, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So that means P of x is less than equal to 6. P of x is less than equal to 6. So P of x is less than equal to 6. So we can take values of getting heads. एक तो 0 times मिल सकते हैं, 1 times मिल सकते हैं, 2 times मिल सकते हैं, 3 times. So here we can write x is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 3. So it is a very again a bigger number. So we know that probabilities of all possibilities is equal to 1. So this we can write 1 minus probabilities of all possible outcomes, 1 minus P of x is less than greater than 6. Because ट्रायल टेस्ट यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलने वाला है कि एग्जैक्टली हम हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ऑफ हेड्स इज गेटिंग. सो दिस इज माय एक्स, वी कैन टेक द वैल्यू 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, this is the possibility and I want it at most. So at most means 1 2 यहाँ तक हमें possibility निकालनी है. So that's better. We know that all possibility is 1. So 1 minus this term is cancelled out. 7 8 9 10. So it is a very easy to find out. So check करते हैं हम लोग. 1 P x is greater than equal to 6 is 1 minus P of x is equal to 7 plus P of x is equal to 8 plus P of x is equal to 9 plus P of x is equal to 10. Again we use the same formula. P of x is equal to small x n c x P of raised to the x q raised to n minus x. So we find the probability at most 6 heads. 1 minus inside the bracket. We get here 10c7 1 by 2 raised to the power 7 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 7 plus 10c8 1 by 2 raised to the power 8 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 8 plus 10c9 1 by 2 raised to the power 9 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 9 plus 10c10 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 10 is 0. Again we can use here combination formula. So this one is as it is 1 minus inside the bracket 10 factorial upon 7 factorial multiply 3 factorial. Now this 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 7 is 3 plus again we use here by combination formula 10 factorial upon 8 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 8 multiply 1 by 2 10 minus 2 8 we get 2 plus 10 factorial divided by 9 factorial multiply 1 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 9 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 plus 10 factorial upon 10 factorial multiply 0 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. Bracket is complete. Again we simplify 1 minus 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 factorial upon 7 factorial multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 7 1 by 2 raised to the power 7 3 so base are same addition of power so we get here 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 plus 10 factorial multiply 9 factorial converting to up to the 8 factorial 8 factorial multiply 2 factorial converting to up to 1 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 same concept you can use here plus 10 factorial converting to up to 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial multiply 1 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 plus 10 factorial 10 factorial is cancelled out is only 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 1 by 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. Again we here see 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 is common. We take it outside and simplify. So we get here probability at most 6 heads is equal to 1 minus inside the bracket simplify 7 factorial is cancel out then after 3 3s are 9 4s are so first number is 120 plus again we can simplify here 8 factorial is cancel out 2 5s are 10 so 4 5 multiply 9 is 45 plus again we simplify here 9 factorial and factorial is cancel out so remaining only 10 plus 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 again we can simplify 1 and it is minus inside the bracket addition we get here which number we get 176 multiply 2 raised to 10 1 upon 2 raised to 10 we get 1024 so 1 minus 176 divided by 1024 again we can simplify here 1024 minus 176 divided by 1024 now simplify here again so we get here final answer is 424 divided by 512 so this is the at most 6 is here. So this is my first question. The three conditions are present. Exactly 6 times success, at least 6 times success, and at most 6 types. Now we go on the second example. Write down my second example. My second example is second. A dart is thrown 6 times. A dart is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd numbers, getting an odd numbers is a success. Is a success. Find the probability of again three condition. First condition, 5 success. Second condition, at least 5 success. Third condition, at most 5 success. तो पहले यहाँ पे हमने कॉइन टॉस किया था, अब इस यहाँ पे हमने डाई थ्रो की. Whenever we throw the die, we get 6 outcomes. The space पे 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है, 6 आ सकता है, 5 and 6 आ सकता है. So हमने die कितनी बार थ्रो किए? 6 टाइम. So the repeated toss or die are Bernoulli trials. So ये एक्सपेरिमेंट Bernoulli trials थे. So हमें क्या करना है? सक्सेस डिसाइड करनी है. क्या सक्सेस है? We get the odd number. So let x, हमारा कैपिटल X क्या होगा? Let capital X denote the capital X denote the number of success. Denote the number of success. Number of success getting odd number. Getting an odd number. In experiment, how many trials given here? In experiment of 6 trials. First of all, die throw की है. कितनी बार? 6 times die throw की है. हमें क्या चाहिए कि the x is the denote the number of success. Success कब मिलेगा? Getting an odd number. Getting an odd number. So हमें पता है कि whenever this experiment is Bernoulli trial, then probability of success and failure remains same for each trial. So मैं क्या करने वाली होगी? फर्स्ट ट्रायल की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालने वाली हो सक्सेस की. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग और नंबर इन अ single row. Probability of getting a odd number in a single row of data. क्या होगी उसकी probability? We denoted by small p. We denoted by small p. क्या होगी probability? How to find the probability? डाई थ्रो करने के बाद हमें सैंपल स्पेस में कितने आउटकम्स मिलने वाले हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 outcomes is coming. But number of getting odd numbers, how many present? So this is the number of getting odd number is my event. So what is the odd number possibility? एक तो हमें 3 मिल सकता है, 1 मिल सकता है, 5 मिल सकता है. So number of favorable outcomes is 3 divided by total number of outcomes is 6. So which is 1 by 2. So this is the probability of getting success. This is the probability of getting success in each trial, because this experiment belongs to the Bernoulli trial. So P is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, what is the Q? 1 minus P, which is 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So clearly here X is a success. क्या होगा? Binomial distribution of n with parameters P, that is with n is equal to how many times drop? 6. What is the probability of finding success? 1 by 2. And what is the probability of getting failure? Is 1 by 2. That is X is binomial distribution, n is equal to 6 and P is equal to 1 by 2. So we write the formula. P of X is equal to small x. P of X is equal to small x, which is the probability of finding success, is equal to NCX P raised to the x, Q raised to the n minus x. So what is your n given? Where given n is 6xc x. What is the P? The probability of finding success, the probability of getting success is 1 by 2 raised to the power x. Q is the getting of probability of failure, which is again 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus x. Now we find my first point is for success. Finding first point is probability to getting probability of getting for success means x is equal to 5. So we will put a small x is equal to 5 in formula. P of x is equal to 5. My formula is 6c5. 1 by 2 raised to the power 5. 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 5. Simplify again. We can use here combination formula. 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiply 6 minus 5, which is 1 factorial, multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 1. We can again simplify 6 convert into up to 5 factorial. So we get here 6 multiply 5 divided factorial divided by 5 factorial multiply 1 multiply 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. Here raised to the power 5, here raised to the power 1. So base is same, addition of power. So 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. Again simplify 5 factorial is cancel out. We get 6. 2 raised to the 6, we get 64. So your final answer 3 upon 32. So this is the probability of getting 5 success. Exactly 5 success. The answer is 3 by 32. Now next probability. What is my next probability of getting? Next, second probability of getting at least 5 success. At least 5 success means x is greater than equal to 5. Means x is greater than equal to 5. मुझे means यहाँ पे हमें 5 टाइम्स और नंबर मिल सकते हैं, 6 टाइम्स, 7 टाइम्स, सॉरी अब तो हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट कहाँ तक है? 6 तक है. सो 5 या 6 तक हमें पॉसिबिलिटी है. सो P of x is greater than equal to 5. We can write here is equal to P of x is equal to 5 plus P of x is equal to 6, because die is flowing only 6 times. So last x is equal to 6. So again 1 by 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 5 plus 6 6 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 6. Again we use here combination formula. So 6 factorial upon 5 factorial multiply 1 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 plus again we can use the combination formula 6 factorial upon 6 factorial multiply 1 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. So again we simplify here. I want all number at least 5. So simplify here. 6 converted up to the 5 factorial. 5 factorial multiply 1 factorial multiply this 1 by 2 raised to the power 5. This 1 by 2 raised to the power 1. Base are same, addition of power. So we get 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 plus again 6 factorial is cancel out. So 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 because when we raised to the power 0 we get answer is 1. So again here 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 is common. We take it outside. Simplify here 5 factorial is cancel out. 6 plus 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 because 6 factorial is remaining. Here 1 is remaining. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 64. So this is my answer. The getting at least 5 times of odd numbers. Now my third part. What is my third part? The probability of getting at most 5 success. Means at most 5 success means x is less than equal to 5. Less than equal to 5. So here x takes the value 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times and 6 times. So at most 5 success means x is less than equal to 5. Means हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी किसकी निकालनी है? एक तो 0 प्लस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3p प्लस 4p और प्लस 5p. So it is a very lengthy calculation. That's time we use here. Probability of getting at most 5. That means 1 minus p of x is greater than 5. Means इन सब की probability is 1. करेक्ट है? हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी किसकी निकालनी है? यहाँ तक निकालनी है. लेकिन दिस इज अ वेरी लेंथी प्रोसेस. सो आई सॉ हियर वी कैन टेक ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर दिस. वी प्लेस x is equal to 6. यहाँ तक निकालनी है. मीन्स वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला p of x is equal to greater than 5. So what is the possibility here? P of x is equal to greater than 5 is only 6. So एक ही कैलकुलेशन हमें यहाँ पे करना है. So हम अगेन वी यूज द फॉर्मूला 6c 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 6. So 1 minus 6 factorial upon 6 factorial multiply 0 factorial multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. So 1 6 factorial is cancelled out. 0 factorial means 1. So we get here 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. The answer is 1. So 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1. Now simplify 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. So answer is 1 minus 1 by 64. 1 minus 1 by 64. So we get final answer. This 64 come here. So 64 minus 1 divided by 64. So final answer 63 divided by 64. This is the possible probability of success at most 5. Okay. So thank you. Here we stop here. We can check next lecture, solve another problems.